Krishna wants to meet Hanuman. Once, a furious war took place between Lord Krishna and Indra. Krishna flew to the heavens riding on Garuda, the king of birds, along with his wife Satyabhama. Krishna defeated Andhra with the help of Sudarshan Chakra, the divine weapon of Lord Vishnu. Satyabhama helped Krishna during the war. Pleased with Satyabhama, Krishna gifted her a divine tree named Parijat. Krishna praised Garuda and Sudarshan Chakra too. After this incident, Garuda, Sudarshan, and Satyabhama were filled with false pride. Garuda thought himself to be the fastest flying bird around. Sudarshan thought himself to be the most powerful weapon in the universe, as all important tasks were being performed by it, while Satyabhama thought herself as the most beautiful and important among all of Krishna's queens. So, to destroy this false pride of all of them, Lord Krishna invited Hanuman by his divine powers. Hanuman got the message and arrived at Dwarka's royal garden immediately. Hanuman in Dwarka. On the invitation of Krishna, Hanuman arrived at Dwarka's royal garden and started eating fruits, breaking twigs, and uprooting trees. The soldiers could not stop Hanuman and informed Krishna about it. Krishna invited Garuda and asked him to resolve the issue with the help of the royal army. But the egoistic Garuda thought that he was enough for the small monkey and went alone to face Hanuman. On reaching there, Garuda ordered Hanuman to surrender immediately and proceed with him to meet Krishna. But Hanuman refused politely. He said, "I like jumping on trees and eating fruits, and I am a devotee of Lord Ram. I am not interested in meeting Krishna." Hearing this, Garuda became angry. He boasted, "I am the king of birds. I have killed many powerful demons. You have to listen to me." But Hanuman did not pay any heed to Garuda's orders. Garuda could not stand Hanuman's disobedience and challenged Hanuman for a battle. Garuda's shattered ego. Garuda challenged Hanuman for a battle and started hitting Hanuman with his sharp beak. Hanuman did not want to hurt Garuda, but he had to teach him a lesson to shatter his ego. So, Hanuman gently nudged Garuda towards the ocean. But for Garuda, it was like a huge hurricane that pushed him into the ocean. Garuda lost his consciousness. He finally returned to Krishna's palace after gaining consciousness. He told Krishna, "Dear Lord, he is not a normal monkey. He is full of divine strength." Lord Krishna understood that now Garuda was free from his false pride. Meanwhile, Hanuman traveled back to the southern mountain range, Malyanchal. Krishna then asked Garuda to go back to Hanuman and tell him that Lord Ram was waiting for him in Dwarka. Garud flew towards Malyanchal and met Hanuman. He apologized to Hanuman and invited him to Dwarka. Hanuman immediately left for Dwarka to meet Ram. Sudarshan and Satyabhala humbled. Hanuman left for Dwarka from Malyanchal to meet Ram. On the other side, Krishna was also getting ready to meet Hanuman. He dressed like Ram and asked Satyabhama to dress like Sita. When Hanuman reached Krishna's palace, Sudarshan was guarding the palace. It rolled around the palace with all its might. On seeing Hanuman, Sudarshan stopped him authoritatively. But Hanuman was in a hurry to meet his lord. So he captured the whirling discus and put it inside his mouth and went in. When Hanuman saw Ram, he immediately spluttered out Sudarshan from his mouth and fell at his lord's feet. This act of Hanuman shattered Sudarshan's false pride. After greeting Lord Ram, Hanuman started searching for goddess Sita, but could not find her. He asked Ram, "Lord, where is Mother Sita? Why is this lady dressed like her?" Upon hearing this, Satyabhama realized the greatness of goddess Sita, and her false pride was also shattered.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.